immunization protect populations from diseases that previously claimed the lives of millions of individuals each year, mostly children. Under the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Child, every child has the right to the best possible health and by extrapolation a right to be vaccinated. Despite the outstanding success of vaccination in protecting the health of our children, there are important knowledge gaps and challenges to be addressed. An incomplete understanding of immune mechanisms of protection and the lack of solution to overcome antigenic variability have hampered the design of effective vaccine against major diseases such as HIV, AIDS, and TB. Huge efforts have resulted in the licensure of partially effective vaccine against malaria, but more effective vaccine will be needed to defeat this disease. Moreover, it's becoming clear that variation in host response is an important factor to take into account. Apart from the scientific challenges, socio-political barriers stand in the way of safe and effective vaccination for all. Access to vaccine is one of the greatest obstacles, and improving infrastructure, continuing education, enhancing community engagement will be essential to improve this, and the novel delivery platform that eliminate the need for a cold chain could have great implications. There is growing subset of the population who are skeptical about vaccination, and this requires a response from the scientific community to provide transparency about the existing knowledge gaps and the strategies to overcome these. Constructive collaboration between scientists and between scientific institutions be imperative to move forward. Constructive collaboration between scientists and between scientific institutions, governments, and the industry will be imperative to move forward. The COVID-19 pandemic has indeed shown that in the case of an emergency, many parties with different incentives can come together to ensure that vaccines are being developed at an unprecedented speed, but has also highlighted some of the challenge of national and commercial interests. As immunologists, they have a responsibility to create an environment where immunization is normal, the science is accessible and robust, and access to vaccination is a right and expectation. We briefly speak about vaccine and vaccination. Introduction to vaccine. History of vaccine and vaccination from the time of variolation, passing with Edward Jenner till now. An example of the vaccine, very famous vaccine, influenza vaccine. Vaccine types: live vaccine, inactivated vaccine, viral vector vaccine. Immunology make difference. Our understanding of immunology and the vaccine, the response of the body to vaccine, and this huge data. We have one of our courses speak about immunology, basics of immunology, immunodeficiency state, what is it, how it affects vaccine and the response of the body to vaccine, passive protection, T-cell rule, memory cell, the herd immunity, overall the population, prevention of the disease, factors affecting vaccine protection, vaccine schedule, vaccination and vaccine safety, future of the vaccine, see you inside the course. Thank you.